Okay, good afternoon everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today? I hope all of you are in a good condition. Okay, for today we are going to discuss about our next topic in Pancasila. Uh, Topic for today is Pancasila and the actual problems. In this topic, we are trying to use the values of Pancasila to solve the actual problems in the world. But first, I need to explain to all of you first about that Pancasila is also not just an ideology, but is also a set of values. There are 5 main values in Pancasila, which are divinity, humanity, unity, democracy, and justice. And these 5 values are universal, which means could be applied anywhere and anytime. And let's try to understand these 5 values one by one. First is divinity. This means Indonesian people believe in God and always devote themselves to God. So first, believe in God, and also the act of the guaranteeing of religious freedom by the state and the society and the nation have to always uphold religious tolerance, because religious tolerance is an attitude that reflects this divine value. Number 2, humanity or human value. This means every human being have to be treated according to his or her dignity, because every human being is also a creature which was created by God. Every human being has the same degree, and which therefore there should be no discriminations that based on ethnicity, race, religion, or class. And number 3, unity or the value of unity. The Indonesian nation, Indonesian people have to always maintain unity in diversity. Even though we have so many differences, we have to maintain always our unity. We have to guard our nationalism, our unity always. Number 4, democracy or democratic value. There are 3 acts in this 4th value. First is deliberation or musyawarah. Second is mutual assistance or gotong royong. And these 2 acts, deliberation and gotong royong or mutual assistance, is conducted to reach consensus. So consensus is an agreement which taken by all members of community and has to be followed by all members of community. This is the Indonesian or Pancasila style democracy. Number 5, justice or value of justice. It means equal distribution of welfare and protection of the weak. So the state have to distribute the welfare to every member of society and every component of the Indonesian nations. So how to solve the problem? First, we need to find the problems to find the solution according to Pancasila. And the most recent problem is the global crisis due to the corona pandemic. we face the corona pandemic since 2020, and also several years before that, we also face the trade war between the United States and the People's Republic of China. These two things trigger a global crisis. The economic crisis due to the production process being hampered due to the lockdown to prevent the spread of corona, and also the various sectors of the economy are also stagnant due to the physical and social distancing. And also we could see in United Kingdom right now they are facing oil crisis. Yeah, that is because the production process also being hampered because of the lockdown. So how to find a solution which in Pancasila perspective. According to first principle, global community should prioritizing tolerance between religious communities so that there will be no nations and countries in conflict on the basis of religion. So religious tolerance. And number two, second principle, global communities should upholding human values, helping each other in the basis of humanity, such as realizing global solidarity to help people which affected by the corona pandemic. Number three, by the value of unity in the third principle, which is also based on humanity, because Indonesian nationality also based on humanity. This kind of national unity can be used to mobilize every nation to help other nations and countries that are experiencing a severe recession due to the corona pandemic. Number four, or the fourth principle, the global community can deliberate working together, mutual assistance, gotong royong to find solution to alleviate the crisis due to the corona pandemic. The last principle, it can be used as a global goal, which is to create a just and a prosperous society and to live side by side in peace. Okay, I think that's all for today. For the assignment, I will tell you later in the Zoom meeting. If you have question, you could also deliver it in the Zoom meeting. Thank you for your kind attention. Until next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.